Hi friends, it's Annie with a quick announcement. I have decided that I'm going to bifurcate this YouTube channel, and part of it will be the same kind of content I've already been doing, which is the sort of more esoteric research and context for ephemera and historical objects and vintage and antique stuff, and more philosophical reseller rants and random tidbits. And that will still be called Research, Resell, Repeat. But I'm going to start a new section called eBay School, which will be more beginner level reselling info, and will be really quick videos that each answer a single how-to question. And I'm hoping that these will be really useful, utilitarian, less esoteric content that will bring in some new people to the channel and also just really actually help people. I notice these kinds of questions all the time on the forums and Facebook groups and this and that I read, like, how do I do X? Like some simple, or maybe simple, but some, discrete thing on eBay. And I'm like, I can answer those questions, but I think I'll try to do it in more of a bulk fashion in videos and see if that is useful for people. So I hope if you have been watching, thank you, and I hope you continue to watch, and that you find something that is useful and helpful, either in the old kind of stuff or the new kind of stuff, or the new old kind of stuff or the new kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. Take care, everyone, and thanks.